So hello everyone, today we'll do one question, that is employee and manager salary. Find the employee who are earning more than their managers. So let's see the table. We only need few columns, so we'll do clean. We'll select ID, first name and salary and manager's ID. From employee, let's see from clean. We made one error, that is manager's ID. Okay, manager ID. Manager ID, yes. So now we'll compare. Select from clean C1, left join clean C2 on C1 dot manager ID and C2 ID. So we'll get C1 dot first name as employee name and C1 dot salary as employee salary. We'll select the manager's name and we'll select the manager's salary. Salary as manager salary. So we'll get this from clean and then we'll compare. Now we'll check. Okay, so we got the employee name, their salary and their manager's name with their salary. So we'll use one where clause where employee salary is greater than manager salary. So we have Richard and let's see the expected output. We need first name and salary. So we'll select employee name and employee salary. So here is our output, and as you can see our output is correct. So in this question you just needed to do self join with the table based on their manager ID and ID, and you needed to compare the employee with their manager salary, and you could do this in one part, but I did it in two to show you that we need to first clean and then we have to compare. You can combine these two and still find the output. So thank you, I hope it was clear.